Hello everyone and welcome to this EasyEDA tutorial. When designing a PCB, sometimes we run into a problem. We already add a copper port, but the copper doesn't actually show up. Let me walk you through why this happens and how to fix it. First, always check if your board outline is complete. If the outline isn't closed, the copper area simply won't generate. Second, there's another key condition. The copper port area must contain components or nets that match the selected network in order to fill properly. For example, here I've chosen the GND net. If I move out the components that connect to GND, and what's left with this Type-C connector isn't tied to GND. Then, when I rebuild the copper port, you can see there's no copper. Why is that? Because the system only checks inside the board outline. If it doesn't find the selected net inside, it won't pour copper. So, even if you draw a copper region outside the outline, it won't fill either. But what if you really want copper in that spot? There's a way. Just delete the board outline, then go into the copper port settings and set Keep Island to Yes. That way, even if there are no components on the net inside that region, the copper will still be generated. Quick summary. The board outline must be closed, or copper won't fill. The port area needs to contain components on the same net, or it won't generate copper. If there are no components, you can delete the outline and enable Keep Island to make the port appear.